Well, today I've come on a very different walk. I've come to Teesmouth, which is where the River Tees joins the sea between Hartlepool and Middlesbrough. A few days ago it was really hot and sunny, but today it's so cold and windy. I brought my scarf. There's going to be lots of exciting things to see, including strange looking things like this. I'm setting off from very near to the power station, and we've got a long road to walk down. It's called Zinkworks Road, and that should take us to the coast. At the top of the dunes, it's really windy, but when you get to the top, there's an amazing sight. Finished! This den is made entirely out of driftwood. Lots of branches and big tree trunks that have floated on the sea, maybe from up the coast or even from another country. Well, I'm all windblown from that walk on the beach near to Seaton Carew, but now I'm coming around the headland and I'm walking towards Seal Sands. As you drive along the coastal road, there are lots of interesting things to see, like this. This is an old oil rig called the Brent Alpha. It used to be out in the North Sea drilling for oil, but now it's here near Middlesbrough being dismantled for scrap metal. It's super windy. We've come inland up the estuary from Teesmouth, and here you can see plenty of seals. There are grey seals and also brown harbour seals. They just lie there looking really relaxed. A huge part of the land around Teesmouth is covered in factories and lots of industry. It's worth a visit all in itself. Well, I've arrived after a short drive down the Tees Road at Saltholme Wildlife Reserve. In fact, today is the first day of its opening. I'm expecting to see lots of interesting things. Come on, let's get going. I can see Middlesbrough's famous transporter bridge. And in the far distance, Rosebery Topping. And here's a perfect place for me to have a slurp of tea with my friends Alice and the Mad Hatter. And from the Jubilee viewpoint at Saltham, you can see for miles and miles. Pull cord, push gate. Ribbit. 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 Well, I'm really pleased that I ended my walk today at Saltham Wildlife Reserve. But it was really cold. My phone tells me it was 5 degrees. So I think I'm going to come back here one day when it's much warmer. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Thanks for joining me on all of my walks. This is the last video of the series, and knowing that you were following me really helped me to make them. Goodbye everyone, and keep walking.